So now we're in the farmer's market and also on the boat, waiting for a little harbor trip. Lots of different people from lots of different places here. Busy, busy. Our ship is over my right shoulder. Sail away, here we go. Little island that we saw, don't know the name of it, but cute nevertheless, and the marina goes with it. Hotel in San Diego, but just a little bit.
Saari on niiden joukossa aivan ainutlaatuinen. Se on Suomen Ruotsalaiset linnoittivat sen laivaston tukikohdakseen menetettyä Itämeren hallinta.
Maybe where the fortress was, and it looks like it, the one that protected Helsinki. But there's another island which we'll come to in just a second.
Die Festung Suomen erinnert
Puolessa tunnissa pääsee luonnon keskelle viettämään saaristolaiselämää. Pihlajasaaren upeilla rannoilla voi ottaa aurinkoa. Kulttuurinäyttäjien fancy villas and historical nostalgia. And if you're curious or no access allows us all to pick.
Generell. Gucken Sie sich doch einmal die Arbeiten des
We're figuring that's a sauna house. They can get their sauna and then race out and leap into the cold water.
Orte für Sommerhäuser in Helsinki und eine historische Stätte, die vom
Andere europäische Städte im Zweiten Weltkrieg dem Erdboden gleichgemacht hatte.
So, kind of a resort-looking thing. And you see cars and all. These duplexes over here are pretty nice. A little newer than the others, perhaps. On the right.
Это настоящий рай размером в квадратный километр. Находящийся в Севке лось регулярно переплывает с материка напротив, чтобы по нему побродить. Здесь есть ценные лиственные рощи, и действительно можно почувствовать себя жителем прошлой эры.
This is like a Thursday? Yeah. Not the weekend crowd.
Katajat kasvavat hyvin, saa pestä pesuaineella tai tulee wood for everything. Both houses and household.
В новых рядах саамскую кружку кукса, традиционный сосуд для питья жителей Лапландии.
I don't know if we're going to do that or not, but it's an interesting prospect.
Innostavaa yliopiston, katedraalin ja vilkkaiden markkinoiden kaupunkia. Tietenkin kaikki halusivat siitä osansa ja siksi kaupungin itäpuolen asukkaat ryhtyivät puuhaamaan oikotietä. Laajasalon kanava rakennettiin pitkien neuvottelujen jälkeen. Sen syvyys on 1,5 metriä ja leveys 4,5 metriä.
150 years ago, the people who lived out here had to sail a very long way around these islands to get to town. Russia had taken over and was building Helsinki into an exciting city with a university, cathedral, and a vibrant market. Obviously, everybody wanted to be part of it, and locals needed a shortcut to town. And so, the Degera Canal was built after much haggling with the council.
150 Jahren mussten die Menschen, die hier lebten, einen sehr weiten Weg zurücklegen, um diese Inseln herum Strahle und einem sehr belebten Markt. Offensichtlich wollte jeder daran teilhaben und so brauchten
more and
wir.
more close to civilization as we move back to the, I guess it would be to the west into town.
Days grow longer and the cold Baltic Sea warms up. On the hottest summer days, we get temperatures of 30 degrees Celsius and water that simmers at 20 degrees.
Heading back to the port, but don't know what this is all about. We're coming to the zoo soon, and then after that, the icebreakers. Can't figure this one out. And they're building a whole bunch of stuff. Lots and lots of stuff. This is not the only part of town either. Active. That's the island zoo. Yeah, here's the big icebreakers. Bunch of them. I think that's a half dozen. No, 5.
Jos teillä on aikaa.
Nearly home.
We're back in the bay where you can see the large ferries again. On the left is the Silja line,
Yeah.
which goes to
So
Stockholm.
the,
And on the
like
right
jetways,
is the
but they're for
Viking
the
line, which
Viking
sails to
ferries.
Tallinn and Stockholm.
Pride. Star Pride. Gonna be 84 foot longer a year from now. Sometime soon after that, they put it through dry dock and
vaaleansininen kaupungintalo ja oikeassa laidassa
Gonna do that to all 3, they say.
ja Uspenskin